Hi guys, welcome back to the Game of Trading channel. This is Bhargav. I'm back with the most important candlestick, which is Doji, which could help for most examples. I had personally experience with the Doji, which made my decision plays a vital role in my trading journey. A short note about the Doji. What's key with the Doji is that neither the bears nor the bulls have gained control, and that the price has ended where it began. It's a sign of indecision in the market and could signal a change in market direction. Applying a Doji candlesticks, it's a good trick is to look out for a Doji near the edge of a price channel. That is, if a Doji appears at the top of the channel, it could be indicates a bearish correction. If a Doji appears at the bottom of a channel, it could indicate a bullish direction. The Doji is a candlestick where the opening and closing prices are the same, or almost the same. It can take many forms as shown here, depending on what the trading activities was in that period. Below are the following live examples with the different time frames. Doji, long-legged Doji, dragonfly Doji, gravestone Doji. Spot candlestick patterns quickly and easily. Use that information to make a profitable trading decisions. Hope you all like this video. Kindly do like, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you.